Morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Mike Baker here, Green Check. We are experiencing an epidemic of building science problems in the contracting world. So, I was just at a customer's house and, just to get through a project where they're about to go into their second mold remediation, right? Which means they had two assessors before me and two remediation companies before me, and I caught them right before they purchased the second remediation. And what we're talking about in this home is very, very, very basic building science. And when I talk to the assessors and the remediators involved in the project about how they're handling the cause of the problem, the statement that is made is, we do this every day, and this is how we've always done it, and it works, right? The mold will be gone. And my response is, yes, the mold will be gone, but is it an ethical world to live in as a business person if the problem that you're cleaning will return, right? You're not selling a mold remediation subscription. You're selling a mold remediation, which means the mold should be gone and not come back. This is not a cleaning subscription. This is not me hiring a house cleaning or a commercial cleaning solution where, every night at 11 p.m. they come back and do the floors for my restaurant, right? That's not what I'm buying. I'm not buying a mold remediation service where I'm signing on the dotted line to have you come back every 2 years when the mold returns. But that's what's happening. Not with all of them, right? I don't want remediation companies to get all up in arms, but I do hope that the crap remediation companies who don't understand the science and aren't fixing the source of things, I do hope you're upset. I do hope that you're annoyed at this message because you suck. So this message is not aimed towards everybody. This is aimed towards residential and commercial owners who are saying, I want to get this right the first time. And if you're not having problems yet, this is aimed at people who are saying, why don't I get my home or my business looked at, and let's look at what it would take to do this the right way so we don't run into those problems. That's who we aim at as Green Check. I don't want every customer, and most homeowners are going to go with the lowest bidder and then be surprised when they have a problem. So anyone listening to this, I'm not bidding to come into every home. I'm not bidding a service that it is for everyone. This is not for everyone. I am not for everyone. I don't want to be in everyone's home. I don't want to sit around and suffer through a bunch of crap contractors and a homeowner who just wants to have the absolute dirt cheap bid, because I know exactly what the dirt cheap bid is. And when I come into your home or business to consult, whether that's just to help you get the energy efficiency and building science right so you don't have to go through the problem, or whether I'm there as an official mold assessor, a licensed mold assessor to help you get through remediation, I'm going to say the same thing in both cases. I much prefer to live on the side of prevention. I don't want to make my money on mold remediation and fixing stuff. I would love to be paid to help building owners deal with prevention, right? So that's where you want to call Green Check. That's where you want to use us. I love what I do. I'm passionate about it. It's a wonderful business. I meet wonderful people. There are incredible contractors, but I will sort through to the poo-poo real fast and toss it out. So thanks for listening. Mike Baker, Green Check. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.